Alright guys, quick install video for your new cover. I'm going to go ahead and lift it off. So on the back side you're going to see 4 mounting points, and you want to remove your rubber caps from your stock engine cover. There's going to be 4 of them in the exact same locations as you see on the back of this new one. There's these 4 little rubber caps, and these simply come out by squeezing them on the sides and pulling them through the opening. You can see right here there's a little open window. It's going to look exactly the same on your stock cover. You're going to squeeze it sideways and then pull it through that hole, and they should come out fairly easy. And then you're just going to pop them back into your new cover. So once you have those 4 removed and installed on your new cover, you're ready to go. What you're going to do is set the cover inside the engine bay and align it with your stock oil cap here. You got your hole for your oil cap. So first thing to do is just line it up with that cap with the hole, and you can almost kind of feel when the engine points kind of sit into place. You can kind of feel for it a little bit, but just to make it even easier, you can actually see on this side where it goes in. You got a little pin right there on the underside, right here, and you can actually see it go into place. So you got one there. And then on the back side, you got one more down here. There you can see it kind of sit on here in the back. But like I said, it's more of a feel thing. You can kind of lift it up and drop it on it, and you can kind of feel when it kind of sits into place correctly. So the 4 mounting points, one is going to be about right here where this front screw is. One's going to be right where the rear screw is here. And then the other 2, you can actually see the screw where it directly mounts to my mounting point right underneath of it. So this would be 3, and then the other mounting holes right where this screw is here in the back, that's number 4. So once you got them kind of sitting in place and you can feel it's locked in, you can try to press down right where the mounting hole is. So you press down where the screw is, and you can feel it kind of pop into place. Go to the rear where that screw is sitting, push it down, it pops into place. Then you got right where this screw is here, kind of push down and pops into place. And then the rear pushes down and pops into place. And that's it. And then it's in. Now to remove, I prefer to be on the more careful side. I would not pull up from the front of this thing anywhere. I mean, yeah, you could probably yank it and eventually get it off, but if you're looking to keep this thing for a while, I would not pull from the front side here or the front area here. I would pull from the actual mounting points. So your first mounting point is here. You can actually get your hand through through these openings right here, right where the metal is, and you can actually just pull up a little bit and it pops up pretty easily. Right where your other mounting point is here, you can kind of just pull up right where the mounting point is and it pops up nice and easy. Same with the rear here, you can kind of grab in the rear corner, pops up nice and easy. And then for the last one, I would pull up right behind where this last screw is on the corner here. I would just pull up and it's out. And that's pretty simple for removal. And that's just to keep it in one piece and hope it doesn't deteriorate or break over time. I feel like that's the easiest mounting and removal points is get your hand under here, pop it up from the front, get your hand on this wing where the mounting point is here, pop it up from this corner, go to the back corner, pop it up from this corner, and then right in the back middle here where this last screw is, I would pull up from that corner. And that should be pretty easy to remove. And right now I've already just kind of sat it back in place. Again, just one pop here, right where the screw is, pops in here, last screw in the back, pops in here, and then this screw pops in and it's back in place.